How to delete your Telegram account permanently. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to delete your Telegram account permanently, what you're simply going to do is, first of all, launch the app Telegram on your device. After you've done that, in the top left corner of your screen, you can see a three-bar option. Click on it, then go to settings. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page. Then you can see the option which says Telegram FAQ under help. Click on Telegram FAQ. Then go to the option which says accounts, your account. Over here, you can see the option which says delete your Telegram account. Click on it. Then in how do I delete my account? You can see the link for deactivation page in the blue text. Click on it. Then you'll go to deactivation page. Now from over here, just enter your number, then click on next. After that, you'll get a confirmation code on that number. Then you can delete the account simply. So this is how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.